Hi, this is Fizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to unarchive Instagram posts. Before we get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So, let's go! Instagram Archive option allows Instagram users to take down posts without deleting them and then easily repost, reuse, or reference them later. Most importantly, you can also unarchive a post to add it right back to your grid like nothing ever happened. While deleting a post is irreversible, archiving it buys you as much time as you need to decide what you want to do with it. Even if you never look at the post again, archiving an Instagram post preserves the image, caption, and all the engagement it received inside the app. That means you won't have to start from scratch when you unarchive it. No data loss, no conversation with customers dead in the water, and no need for extra storage space in your camera roll. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Instagram. And now you can tap on your profile. You can see here's all of my Instagram posts. If you want to archive your Instagram post, you can just tap on the three dots on your post that you want to archive and tap on archive. But what if you want to unarchive, you want to show that post on your profile again, you can tap on the three dots, the three lines on the upper right corner here. Tap on archive. Now you can choose into your post archive like this. Now you can choose post that you want to show to your profile. As example, I will choose this post. You can tap on the post like this. Now you can tap on the three dots on the upper right corner from the post. Now you can tap on show on your profile. Your reel will show up on your profile and people will able to see and interact with it again, remixing it, and you can tap on show on profile. Now it has been restored. You can go back. You can go back to your, and then you can see here's your post on Instagram that you just restored. So easy, right? So that is how to unarchive posts on Instagram. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you!